How to app clear data in iPhone. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video I'll guide you through the steps on how you can clear the app data on iPhone, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. If you'd like to clear the app data on iPhone, you know that on Android you can go to settings, go to storage and find the app. You can clear the data of the app without having to delete them and reinstall them again. But on iOS, that's not how it works. On iOS, you only have one option, that is to go to storage, go to the option called iPhone storage again, and then just find the application, and then you can only actually offload the application and reinstall the app, but the data is not going to get deleted. Now there are some applications that does let you to actually delete the documents and data, so you can do that. On iPhone, to delete the data of the app, you just have to delete the app itself and then reinstall the application from your Play Store again. So you can just tap the delete option that you can find over here. Once you delete the application, what you can do is you can head over to your App Store. In the search box, you can just go ahead and type in the name of the application you want to download again, and now you can go ahead and simply reinstall the application. This time when you reinstall the app, all the applications are going to be resetted, and this way you can clear the app data on iPhone, and this is definitely the only way so far. Hope this video helped you guys. If it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have got any questions, queries or doubts, then feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.